in previous videos we have observed position filters. Now we are going to observe content filters. That means contains, empty, has, parent. These are the content filters. Contains, this means when we pass an element string that will match, that will contains that string, the content filter can select that attribute. That means an element contains an selector element contains attribute of string passed in contains filter. When that element has that contains that string, it will return. It will return. And also has also, that means when we the selected element has a that string matched, that content will be written. Like that parent returns all the elements, content elements that are parent, that are parent to another one. And like that empty set, it will return empty, remove all child nodes contain to remove all child nodes that are matched to content. Let's observe it in practically. Open our HTML program. This is we are observed previously. For this I have changed some modifications here. I passed in class 2, class is equal to para1. For this one, id is equal to id2. Like that, let's save it. I'm coming here. We have first observe our contain object. Let's we select li tags that contains .NET, that contains .string. That means here that contains .string. That means what are the content elements that contain a .string li tag, the .string of selected li tags will be written. Let's save it and observe in browser, view in browser. Let's see it. The li tag that contains a .string will be written here. Like that, when we passed here net, we have two li tags that contains a net string. When open up control F for refresh, as these two .NET net tags will be written. Like that, observe remaining. That means I have selected here paras that contain what we read that contain small letters net. Here we are written paratext. Yes, and press F5. Here it is. Small net will be that matches string, and also paragraph is being written. Like that, we are going to observe our parent. That means it will return this parent filter will return all li tags that are parent to another elements. Let's save it. Open our web browser, press F5. Here it is. All li tags each have a parent to another one. That's why all li tags has been selected. Like that one, another one. Like that one, we are going to observe has filter. Has, here we are passing our requirement. That means has, we are selected li tags. That means all li tags. That means we are going to operation in this li tags. Has, here we passed an attribute. Class is equal to, wait a minute, here we passed a class attribute. Sorry, here we are going to select UL tags. That means all UL tags. In that UL tags we have passed in. In that UL tags we are going to pass our filter. That means has filter. Select all UL tags. In that UL tags has that means has have an filter here. That means li attribute class is equal to a. That means what are the li tags contains an class is equal to a. That means these two are li tags that contain a class name is equal to a will be written. That means has contains these two classes. That means select all UL tags. That means not only these two, select all UL tags. If what it means, has operator can select can match at least one li tag in between UL, the entire UL will be selected. Let's observe it. Let's save it and then observe in our browser, viewing browser. This is all UL tags has been selected here. That means has a operator has a future that it will match at least one, that entire UL tag at least one li that match it to at least one li tag, it will return entire UL tags, underline tags. That means like that. Another one like that, empty filter. Here we are going to observe empty filter. That means it can remove all child nodes that are matched to our element. See how it works. Dollar. Here we are select all paragraph tags. That means all paragraphs. Dot empty. Save it and observe. That means here we are going to remove all our p tags. VN browser. This is here we have a 2 p tags and here we have 4 p tags. All will be removed like that. Here we are going to select li UL tags. Save it and then press F5. Here it is. All underline tags will be removed and then like that. Here we have past reference. That wait a minute. See this? I actually before it shows an error like that. I remove dot. That means here I pass a tag. I want to remove this a tag from here. Okay, Control C and press F1. Here it is. That I tag will be removed here. Like that we can pass any tag that will be removed. Here we are passing entire div tag. That means entire division tag. That means it from here to here. Thus that entire div tag will be I want to remove. Let's save it and see in VN browser. Here it is. That the entire div tag has been deleted from here. Like that we can pass anything to delete. These are the 4 items of filters of type content filters, of type content filters. We observe all these. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.